tomosha qilganlar bizni. Meni ismim Iskandar. Men Toshkentdan kelganman, O'zbekistondan. Mana shu Akash klinikasiga kelishimga sabab shu yerda o'zimiz O'zbekistonda sariq kasallik B turiga chalinib qolganimdan keyin 2 yil davomida davolanib yurdim. O'sha o'zimiz tomonidan davolangandan keyin qornimda o'sha suvlar paydo bo'lishi, o'pkamga suv paydo bo'lishi va kasalligimning holatim og'irlash natijasida menga shu O'zbekistonda Akash klinikasida tavsiya qilishdi doktorlar. Bizni tomoniga o'sha doktorlarning o'zi borib konsultatsiyalar o'tkazdi, Ankurgard o'zlari borib o'sha yerda katta doktor konsultatsiya o'tkazgandan keyin meni o'zimni shu yoqqa kelish fikri tug'ildi. Inshaalloh avvalo Allohdan hamma shifo.
Today in this video, I'll talk about patient Mr. Sikandar, who was a resident of Uzbekistan and had come to us for evaluation. He was suffering from hepatitis B and D related cirrhosis and had been suffering for a very long time. He had jaundice, he had a lot of water in the stomach. Once we evaluated him, we told him that he needs a liver transplant.
Operatsiya haqida bizga tushunchani avvalambor Aziz berganlar. Ya'ni operatsiya jarayoni qiyin o'tmasligi to'g'risida donor hamda bemorni holatlari operatsiyagacha qanday holatni bizni tushuntirib berganimizda.
And his wife Shokshanam came forward as an eligible donor. And she was found to be fit on evaluation, and they both, after clearing the legal process and everything, they underwent a liver transplant. It was indeed a successful surgery, and Sikandar was discharged within day 12 of his surgery.
Jigar transplantatsiyasi uchun avvalambor qon guruhi to'g'ri mos kelishi kerakligi aytib o'tildi. Bizda xo'jayinimning ukalarining qon guruhlari boshqa bo'lganligi sababli meni qon guruhim ularnikiga mos kelganligi tufayli men o'z jigarimni turmush o'rtog'imga berdim. Hindistonda yetib keldik. Bu yerda bizni yaxshi kutib olishdi. Klinikaga kelgan kunimizning o'zidayoq biz klinikaga keldik va analizlarni topshira boshladik.
Olib, Azizapani o'zlari olib kelib, shu Ankurgard tomonidan operatsiya o'tkazilib, bizni jigarimni olib tashlab, yangi ayolimdan jigarini ma'lum bir qismini olib qo'yib, menga operatsiya o'tkazishdi.
And today in this video, if you see him, he is just 4 weeks after liver transplant. He is totally recovered. Nobody can look at his face and tell him that just 4 weeks back he was in ICU with a lot of tubes attached to him, with a lot of IV fluids going on to him. So that's the miracle of liver transplant. If timely done in a selected patients, it has got a success rate which far exceeds 95% in today's time.